Consumer Electronics Show is one of the world's premier tech event out there. This is arranged by Consumer Technology Association and it is the proving ground for breakthrough technologies and global innovators. This is where brands get business done, meet new partners, and where the industry's sharpest minds take the stage to unveil their latest releases and boldest breakthroughs. This year, it was all about artificial intelligence. The 2024 Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas showcased products that took advantage of increasingly powerful and increasingly accessible AI capabilities. I was going through the list of topics and the sessions and events, and I noticed that massive amount of participants they were showcasing their Gen AI applications, and they were not just confined to the LLMs and stuff, but they were moving beyond apps and applications plus large language models. These large language models powered applications were noticeable mainly from the automobile industry and also in healthcare and finance. For example, one of the highlight was Rabbit R1. I also did a video on that one. The Rabbit R1, which is just $200, is a is among a new wave of AI optimized hardware devices. Also, this Rabbit R1 and various other devices like Humane AI Pen, Transcribe Class, Voice Transcription Display, and Time Kettle Language Translator, they all are really breaking the barriers out there. For example, the Rabbit R1 accepts voice commands to play music, call a car, order food, reserve flights, and the like by interacting with services like Uber and Spotify. And then there are a lot of other features which I could go on and on, but I have another video where I go into the detail. Just one thing, because a lot of people are asking when R1 will be released. This will be available in March because it is already sold throughout the June. Okay. Now another good or should I say innovative thing which I noticed was from Vox um and also Benz. They both car manufacturer demonstrated dashboard voice assistants equipped with large language models. Along with the usual navigation and entertainment, the new consoles deliver personalized information like nearby service stations or restaurants. Both of these are powered by OpenAI and automotive AI developer Cerence. And starting from this spring in 2024, this AI will be part of all the Vox cars. And for Mercedes Benz, it will be from next year. Also, another notable thing was from Taiwanese startup NeoChips. They displayed an add-in board that enabled desktop computers to run large language models like 7 billion parameter version of Llama 2. The, the Evo PCI AI accelerator is optimized for transformer networks to provide comparable performance to GPUs while consuming less electricity. Well, most of these things will be evolving throughout the year. Now, there are a lot of other things which I could go on and on, but I will leave the link to this conference so you can read further. But this year, I think all of the conferences, no matter which technology you are following or going for, I believe all of them will be AI powered because in this CES, AI for processing voice, text, and images is now mature enough, and you can tell from the tooling and sessions which are exhibited in this conference. If you have attended this CES conference, please share your experience for our knowledge too. And if you haven't, please go through it and then you can share your thoughts in the comments. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, thoughts, please feel free to share. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.